welcome back. In this part we are going to take a look at the do while loops. Okay, it seems counterintuitive that in this part we are going to consider do while loops first, considering that they might be the least used of all the variations in practice. However, there is a method to our madness. Okay, so let's consider this while loop. Okay, let's have it. It's right here. Let me bring it. Okay, so I'm going to bring it. It's right here. Let's have it. It's right there. Okay, as you can see, we have it. It's right there. So let me zoom a little bit so that you can see. Yeah, it's right here. As you can see, we're having do and then some actions. So for those who know about this the do while loop in C, you understand. Okay, you are understanding what this flowchart and even this code is doing. Okay, what it does. Okay, so what does this loop do? Okay, so the loop body simply executes. The condition is tested at the end of the loop. Okay, as you can see, it is tested at the end of the loop, and the loop jumps back to the beginning of the loop if the condition is satisfied. Okay, so unlike if statements do while conditions are not reversed. Okay, they are not reversed. So let us now take a look at this C code. So let's remove this one, and then we take a look at this C code right here. Okay, so as you can see, we have it. It's right here. So yeah, it's right here. As you can see, it's right here. So and this one can be translated into assembly language. Okay, for example, let's take a look at this. So let's close that one, and then we take a look at this one. Okay, this one right here. Okay, so as you can see, it can be translated into this assembly language like this. Okay, as you can see right here. Okay, like that. Okay, so in the next part we shall take a look at, so you can try out. I know you know all about assembly because you watched my previous part, or my tutorial, okay, about assembly language, okay, and C programming. Okay, so for those who haven't, the link is in the video description. Okay, check out, go in the description, you will see the link to those tutorials. Okay, so yeah, in the next part we shall take a look at the while loops.